C8 Pate back at you with another video, and I'm in the man cave. I'm chilling in the man cave. Need to clean it up a little bit, but y'all see your boy chilling in the movie room of the man cave, and I am unboxing some things here. Unboxing some stuff that I ordered from Show Chrome Accessories, Big Bite Parts. Y'all are gonna hear me talking about Show Chrome. Y'all gonna be so tired of me talking about this, but I promise you, they products are slamming, and that's why I'm talking about them so much. You know, I don't promote no companies like that, man. How long I've been doing the channel now? About a year and a half since we went live. I have never really promoted a channel. Yeah, Sling Mod to a certain degree, because a lot of the accessories I got from Sling Mods. But first and foremost, we got that lovely sweater. Yeah. Yeah. Got that sweater, right? Let's see. Let me make sure I ordered the right size. Got the right size from them. Oh yeah, that's a 2X. Yeah, that's a 2X. And it's quality, y'all. That's quality. That's a Under Armour. That's a quality sweater. I like the way that. Yeah, that's me right there. That's me right there. I'm gonna be wearing that a lot. Got me a young hat here, a black one. We also got a yellow one. You see the part numbers y'all wanna. I like the name too, Show Chrome. That name kind of popping to me. Oh, so we got the cover, and as you can see with the cover, you got different ones you can order. The one that I got is for the Ryker, and I'm gonna like this cover because the one that I had that got ripped all up, it had the thing where it goes over your mirrors and this and that and your handlebars, and it used to loosen up my handlebars. This one looks like it's gonna fit at the bottom a lot more tight, and up here, you know, my radio and all the other accessories, I don't have to fool with it. Like my fitted cover, it really didn't fit on my bike anymore after I got certain accessories put on it. So I'm gonna be all about this cover right here, y'all. So just letting y'all check them out, man. Go over to Sling Mod. Get these Show Chrome products, man. I'm telling you. Hey, y'all heard it here first. I think this is that new and upcoming company. Had to get me some of these joints. The heated. Got me them heated hand grips, y'all. Y'all don't even understand how happy I am. Heated hand grips. And what I like about them, I thought they were going to be like, you know, kind of like skinny. This is a nice size. I don't like the real skinny stuff. This is actually a really nice size, and I'm gonna like these a ton. Looks like there's gonna be a little bit on the installation part. Yeah, because they gotta connect to the battery. And it like coming with a remote up in there. See that right there back there? It looks like a little remote. So yeah, man. Y'all know once I get this stuff on, y'all know I'm doing reviews on it. I ain't got to do a review on these two items, honestly. Hand grips and this, I already know. Hey, them fly. I'm messing with those. Yep, we got the handlebar dampers. Yeah. It's going to look good on the bike, man. Going to look good with the bike, man. It matches my bike too. So this will help with, you know how your handlebars are always like kind of vibrating and shaking or whatever. This is going to help with that. So, yep, got them. Gonna like them a ton. This right here, whoo, y'all already know I got the Commander front floorboards. I got the ones that, you know, basically for the driver. Now got the ones for the passenger. So them things look comfortable. If you look at it, you can't tell me that don't look nice and comfortable right there. Yeah. And you can fold it up when it's not in use. Okay. And it minimizes slipping. Okay. Them gonna be hot right there, man. So if I had to, let me see, which one is my favorite? My favorite accessory. So these are 4 different accessories. My favorite accessory, I'm gonna go with, man, it's hard to say because at first I gotta test these out. Honestly, I gotta test them out before I can say what my favorite is. I gotta test it out. But for right now, oh yeah, see that long. So that should be easy for me to install. I shouldn't have too much of a problem with that. That should be easy to install. I'm gonna go with them hand grips. I'm gonna go with the heated hand grips. Is my number one. That's my favorite. Then I'm gonna probably go with the cover just because I like covers so much. I don't know what it is about covers. The jury is out on these handlebar dampers. I think I'm gonna like these because I already have the driver floorboards for these. So this is just like having a matching set. So like, yes, a lot of this stuff you guys are looking at and seeing, you see the same stuff on Sling Mod. So if you want to, you can get it from Sling Mod or you can get it from Showchrome. They're in partnership with Sling Mod, but that's it, man. Y'all gonna hear me talking about them a ton. Hey, I support my boy Ricky over there, my guy Mark, and everybody else that's involved. Man, it's about time. I needed to start promoting somebody, right? I needed to get involved, but hey, this it right here for me. Hey, I'm really, really, really feeling the product. The products are so quality. Hey, even down to the sweater, like literally. Y'all see how some of the companies start off and just even the apparel is just like second to none on how they do things. So shout out to them. Again, you can either go on Sling Mod and you can order these, or you can order shirts, caps, you can order the heated hand grips, you can order the handlebar dampers, you can order the cover, you can order the floorboards. They have the driver and passenger floorboards. They got a selection of different things. Hey guys, get on board. I know I sound like a commercial right now, but you know how I get when I'm passionate about something. Go hook up. We got Black Friday coming Friday. Buy Showchrome stuff for your Rykers and your spyders. This is not just for Rykers. This is for your Ryker and your spyder. Hey, y'all know I'm going to buy everything on Showchrome's site. When I get my spyder will be designed and everything is going to be outfitted with Showchrome stuff. Y'all know I support it, man. You guys see how many accessories are on my bike. If I say something is a good company, it's definitely a good company. So get in the comment section, subscribe right now. Let me know if you have ordered some Showchrome accessories or parts. Let me know if you ordered it. Was it quality? What did you think about the company? You know we don't hold back. Hey, tell me the good, bad, and the ugly. If you had a great experience, tell me. If you had a bad experience, tell me. Maybe it's something we can get corrected, y'all. Until next time, my friends, CA Pate out.